Hi there. My name is Alex. What's your name?
Hi, Alex. Nice to meet you. My name is Sarah. How are you doing?
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thanks for asking. So, Alex, where are you from?
I'm originally from New York, but I currently live in London. How about you, Sarah?
I'm from Los Angeles, California. That's quite a distance from London. What brings you here?
I moved here for work. I got a job opportunity at a tech company and I couldn't pass it up. How about you? What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. I work for a marketing agency in LA. It's a creative job, and I enjoy it.
That sounds fascinating. I've always been interested in design. What kind of projects do you usually work on?
I work on various projects, such as designing logos, creating website layouts, and developing visual content for social media campaigns. It's a dynamic field, and I get to work with different clients.
That's incredible. It must be exciting to work on such diverse projects. So, Sarah, what are your hobbies or interests outside of work?
Well, I love photography. Whenever I have free time, I grab my camera and explore different places to capture beautiful moments. I also enjoy hiking and spending time in nature.
Photography is a wonderful hobby. It allows you to preserve memories and express your creativity. I also enjoy outdoor activities like hiking. Do you have any favorite hiking spots?
In California, there are plenty of amazing hiking trails. Some of my favorites are in Yosemite National Park and Joshua Tree National Park. The landscapes there are breathtaking.
I've heard great things about those places. I'll definitely add them to my list of places to visit. Speaking of travel, have you been to any other countries?
Yes, I've been fortunate enough to travel to a few countries. I've visited countries in Europe like France, Italy, and Spain. I've also been to Japan and Thailand. Traveling allows me to experience different cultures and broaden my perspective.
That's fantastic. I love traveling too. So far, I've been to several European countries, including Germany, the UK, and Italy. I hope to explore more countries in the future.
That's great to hear. Traveling is such a rewarding experience. You get to learn so much about different cultures and meet interesting people along the way.
Absolutely. It's enriching and helps me grow as an individual. By the way, Sarah, do you have any upcoming travel plans?
Yes, actually. I'm planning a trip to Southeast Asia next month. I'll be visiting Vietnam, Thailand, and Cambodia. I can't wait to explore the vibrant cities and immerse myself in the local culture.
That sounds incredible. Southeast Asia is known for its rich history, stunning landscapes, and delicious food. I'm sure you'll have an amazing time. If you need any recommendations or tips, feel free to ask.
Thank you, Alex. I'll definitely reach out if I need any suggestions. It was great chatting with you.
Likewise, Sarah. Have a fantastic trip, and let's stay in touch. Safe travels.
Thank you, Alex. I'll definitely keep in touch. Take care. Bye.
You too, Sarah. Goodbye.